Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this super cute book called Do Cows Meow? And it's a lift and flap book, so it's so adorable. As you can see on the inside, it has like a little rhyme that goes, do cows sing, do cows coo, all I know is cows go moo. And then it keeps going. Do horses paint? Do horses play? All I know is horses go nay. So it's so adorable. I like how big the flaps are. They're very easy for my little one to pick them up and open, and the pictures are just absolutely adorable. Along with the storyline, it's really cute as well. So there's so much fun in here. Definitely a great learning tool, talking about different animals and what they say. And it's just been a great asset in our house, and I definitely recommend it. And that is my point of view.